Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download JuiceBox mobile app for EV charging, full guide step by step clearly. To download the JuiceBox mobile app for EV charging, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. Once the store is open, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Type JuiceBox into the search bar and press search. Look for the JuiceBox app in the search results. Ensure that the app is developed by eMotorworks, which signifies its authenticity. Tap on the JuiceBox app icon to access the app details. You will see an option to download or install the app. Tap the Get button on iPhone or the Install button on Android. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or your Google account password to confirm the download. Wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the JuiceBox app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a new account or log in to an existing account. Make sure to allow necessary permissions for location and notifications for optimal app functionality. After logging in, you will be ready to start using the JuiceBox app for EV charging. Explore the app's features to maximize your charging experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.